Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. Here you can see a new design done by using Python Turtle Graphics. The code now is in execution. That is, you can see how it is drawing. Now I am going to explain the code. Okay. This is the code. Import turtle as T. We are importing the turtle functionalities as T. By importing like this, we can use this T, just this T instead of turtle in all the lines below this code. Okay, here T dot speed 0, second line. Instead of turtle dot speed 0, here we use T dot speed 0. We set the speed as 0. It will produce the maximum speed. Then T dot pen size 2. We set the pen size as 2. The thickness of each line, that we set as 2. Then for loop for I in range 125. I takes value from 0 to 124. That is 125 iterations. After entering that loop, just T dot right 80. Turtle shift just 80-degree right. Then it enters to another for loop of colors. Here the variable we defined as colors and the range we set as 4 colors: violet, magenta, indigo and orange. Then this for loop works with these 4 values. Under this for loop, T dot colors, that is, we use the value of color. That is, in the first loop it takes value violet. Then after completing this, in the next loop it takes value magenta. Then after completing this whole loop, next it takes the value indigo, like that. After taking orange also, it returns to the upper for loop. Then again it turn right 80-degree. Then enter to the second for loop and it takes 4 values of these colors. In this loop, after taking the colors, selecting the color, then T forward 2 into I. That is 2 times the value of I, it forwards. If it takes I have the value 0, then forward 0. If I takes value 1, then 2 into I, that is 2, forward a unit of 2, like that. In that way, I takes value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 124. In all that cases, here T forward 2 into that value of I. Then T dot left 120. Actually, turn left 120 degree shifting left. By doing so, we will get a triangle. For drawing a triangle, we need to shift turtle left 120 degree. That is why we are drawing triangles here. After reaching forwarding this much distance, turn left 120 degree, then forward this much distance, then turn left 120 degree, then forward this distance, that is 2 into I. We have given 2 into I, 2 into I, 2 into I plus 2. Here in the third time we set as 2 into I plus 2. That is in the last triangle it moves 2 units extra. That is why we are seeing this gap. After completing this triangle, okay, it moves up to here, then starts from there, next triangle, like that. Then another set will come there. Okay. Like that it repeats for 124 times. Then by doing so we will get this picture. And the last line, T dot exit on click, this line is used for exiting this Python turtle graphic window. By clicking here, this will exit. Okay, anyway, I think you understood the code. If you willing to see more wonderful such codes, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comments below this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.